Hi Jags, this is Mrs. Labar. I've got a quick video tutorial on how to sign up for college visits. Fall is college admissions travel season, and between the end of August to the end of October, we will have 70 to 80 colleges come and visit us right here at Blue Valley West. This is really important for students to get information on colleges, but also just to meet the college rep, talk one-on-one with them. It's a chance for the college rep to get to know you so that when they read your application or you email them with a question, they know exactly who you are and can really make that application portfolio come to life. So in order to do that, I'm going to show you where those college visits are located in Naviance. You're going to click the Colleges tab up here from the home page, and then you're going to go to Colleges Home. The easiest way to find them is scroll down on this page all the way to the bottom left, and you'll see the next two college visits coming up. If you click on Show More, you can see the entire list. And you'll see right now we have lots of schools already scheduled and probably more to schedule in the next few weeks. So you'll want to check back. Go ahead and look through the list, and if you see one that you want to sign up, click on Register Now. Now that's really all it takes, but there's one more step that you need to do so that you can get out of class and attend. Click on the View Details, and this will give you a summary detailed look at what time that visit is in the library, where it's located, who's coming. More importantly though, this is the page you need to print to make your pass to get out of class on that day and attend the visit. Okay, so print that pass and then we'll head back. You can see now on the list you're signed up to go. Look through the list, sign up for any colleges that you want to learn more about, and go down there and make a great first impression.